Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Finally another video. I know I said I was coming back, and I am. It's just taking me a little bit longer to get videos out than I usually do, but it's because I haven't gotten a schedule down packed. And sometimes I gotta remind me, because I do be putting these wigs on and then I'm like, I'm gonna record a video, and I forget. Because it's just easier to put the wig on without recording, but I definitely will try. For this unit, obviously I didn't record the install, but we'll go over everything I did. So let's go ahead and get into the wig. This is actually a wig that I haven't reviewed on my channel since like 2018, 2019. And it's by Zury Sis. Well, not the wig, but the brand. So it's Zury Sis. I haven't recorded a video by Zury Sis wig in so long. I did purchase this with my own coins, and I believe I purchased it from Diva Trust. So yes, this wig is by Zury Sis, and it is called Human Hair. Sorry, Human Hair Natural Mix Prime. That's the line, I suppose. Zury Sis sister wig, Human Hair Natural Mix Prime, and it's the style PM-FP Lace Melly. So it's how she looks on the stock card. Kind of different than how she looks in person, but I'm not mad about how she looks in person. I got her in the color Ginger Light, FT Ginger Light. So FFT, I guess face framing something. So it has orange in it. It's mostly like, it's definitely an ombre color. It's this ginger color. It has the orange highlights in the front mixed in, and it's dark rooted. I generally don't like a dark root. Zury did an okay job of blending the color in. I still think that the dark root is too dark for this color. I think it should have been like a color 4 maybe. Excuse the lace. It is blended, and you'll see on the pictures I post, which are not going to be edited, but I think it's the ring light that's making the lace look more obvious. But anyway, she's a 13x4 unit. Again, it's human hair mix, which is really nice. The hair is soft. It barely shed, although I do customize my units, meaning I cut and pluck. As you can see, the hairline definitely does not come like this. This is something that I plucked myself. Normal things you can, this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. They have the wash and care instructions and whatnot. The hairline does come pre-tweezed, and I'll insert a clip, showing you how it looked before I plucked it and after. I always do one side and then the other side. It did come with its own baby hairs, but I pushed those back and blended in with the rest of my hair and then pull out what I need. So, pros and cons for this unit. This unit is, again, it's a 13x6. It's a lace frontal, which means that you can do different styles, whether you can pull her up, yada yada. I was gonna pull her up and do like 2 like space buns with some hair in the front, but look when you pull it up. That's the con for me, is that the dark roots, they don't push it back far enough. The dark root literally stops right there at the front. It's cute pulled back like this, but if you want to put it up, you can't put it all up. Like, even like if I part it here, it's just gonna look dumb. So I'm not a fan of that. You can't really do too much just because of that issue. Other than that, I think that's my only con. The cap is small. So if you have a larger head, beware, this cap is very small. And I say that because it fits me perfectly and I have a peanut head. So yeah. So I did take a few pictures. I had the hair. It's like the perfect curls because you can pull it over this way and have like a pullover look. It's cute. Again, there's that dark root, so be careful. So it's really cute either side. So this is it on my left side. And I had it pulled up in the back like this majority of the time because it's hot, child. We had a heat wave in Philly this whole week. So this is a good length for that situation because see how long it only hits my back. But it's still, it's still hot on my neck. So I was able to pull it up really easily. But yeah, I usually don't I haven't been messing with Zury Sis recently, and that's just because they've been coming out with some crazy stuff. Like, they used to be my favorite brand back in the day because they had all the colors that Outre, Sensational didn't have, and I was just loving all those bright colors. And now it's like they have the colors still, but the styles is whack, wonky. The construction isn't as good as Sensational, Outre, Bobby Boss. And the other thing that bothers me, the crazy, like, I don't know, if you look on their page, they have really crazy like wig constructions. That, why are you even making that? Because we didn't ask for that. I don't think anybody asked for that. So yeah, but this unit is cool. Like, their frontal units are cool. Beware of that. I wish I got this in like in a 1B, a natural color. I think it would have been perfect. I might try to go back and look for it because this length is perfect for me. It's like a good everyday length. If I got it in an everyday color, I'll be real happy. Anyway, I'll try to find a link if it's still available. I'll post it in the description box. And yeah, stay tuned for the next wig, because I gotta switch this out soon. I've had it on for like almost a week now, so I'm definitely gonna switch it out. Again, excuse the lace. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm really disturbed because if you look at the pictures, it's blended. Maybe I need to add some more foundation in my complexion. It looks like it's not on the camera. Like, this ring light is crazy. Let me see if I can turn it down. But I just kind of like, yeah, it's just the ring light, guys. But the lace is definitely blended. And you'll see in natural light, you're not gonna tell. My concern is if it's in like natural light and it's still, the lace still shows. Imagine how it's gonna look in bright light like this. Like, no ma'am. Anyway, but yeah, tell me what you think about this. Let me know if you have any comments down in the description box. And have a great day. See you next time. Deuces.